Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new topic, percentage. Percentage, word percent is derived from Latin word percentum, which means per hundred. Word percent is derived from Latin word percentum, which means per hundred. Which means per hundred. When we calculate the value of a quantity out of 100, that is called percentage. Okay? Symbol of percent is like this, slash and 00. Okay? This is the symbol of percentage. Suppose in a half yearly examination, some students got 74 out of 100, then that is equal to 74%. Another students scored 58 marks out of 100, then that is equal to 58%. Next student, suppose scored 34 out of 100, then that is equal to 34%. It means when we calculate the value of a quantity out of 100, that is called percentage. Suppose in a class test of 20 marks, a student scored 15 marks. For example, in a class test, a student scored 15 marks. What is his percentage mark? What is his percentage mark? His percentage mark. Means how much percent he scored. Okay? In a class test of 20 marks, a student scored 15 marks. What is his percentage mark? आउट ऑफ 20 द स्टूडेंट स्कोर्ड 15 मार्क्स, 20 में से उसे 15 मार्क्स मिला है, तो उसे कितने कितने परसेंट मार्क मिला? ओके, वी विल कैलकुलेट मार्क्स ऑब्टेन्ड आउट ऑफ 100, उसे 100 में कितना मिला, दैट विल बी द परसेंटेज मार्क ऑफ द स्टूडेंट. If maximum mark is 20, then obtained mark is 15. ओके, मैक्सिमम मार्क 20 है तो उसे कितना मार्क मिला? 15 मार्क. ओके, if maximum mark is 1, then scored mark, then obtained marks, is equal to 15 upon 20 by unitary method, you know. Okay, now we will calculate if maximum mark is 100, then how much he scored. Okay, if maximum mark is 100, then obtained mark is equal to, when maximum mark is 1, then obtained mark is 15 upon 20. When maximum mark is 100, then obtained mark will be, we multiply this by 100. Okay, 15 upon 20 into 100 to calculate value of unit quantity is 15 upon 20. Then to calculate value of more quantity we multiply. Okay, now we simplify this. 0 cancel by 0, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 15 5 ja 75%. Means if maximum mark is 100, then obtained mark will be 75. That is 75%. It is clear that when we calculate the value of a quantity out of 100, that is called percentage. Okay, now we will discuss about the conversion of fraction into percent. Okay, conversion of fraction into percentage. Conversion of fraction into percentage. फ्रैक्शन को परसेंट में कन्वर्ट करना. ओके, टू कन्वर्ट फ्रैक्शन इनटू परसेंट, बी मल्टीप्लाई द गिवन फ्रैक्शन बाय 100. टू कन्वर्ट fraction into percent, we multiply it by 100. Okay. For example, suppose you have to convert a fraction 3/4 into percent. For example, suppose you have to convert 3/4 into percentage or into percent. Okay. To convert 3/4 into percent, we multiply this fraction by 100. 3/4 into 100. Simplifying, we get 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 2, 4 5 is 20, 3 into 25, that is equal to 75%. Okay. This way we can convert a given fraction into percentage. Let us see one more example. Suppose you have to convert 2/3 into percentage. 2/3 into percentage. 2/3 is equal to 2/3 into 100. This cannot be simplified, so 100 may be written as 100/1. 2 into 100, 200 upon 3 1 is 3. Now we will convert it into mixed. 3 6 is 18, remainder 2. 3 6 is 18, remainder 2. 16 over 16 whole 2/3%. Okay. This way we can convert a given fraction into percentage. Understood? Next point is conversion of percent decimal into percentage. Conversion of decimal into percentage. As like fraction, to convert decimal into percentage, we multiply it by 100. Okay. To convert decimal into percent, we multiply it by 100. Okay. For example, suppose we have a decimal number 0.35. Okay, and we have to convert it into percentage. Then we multiply this given decimal number by 100. This is equal to 0.35 into 100. You have read the multiplication of decimal in class 5 and 6. When we multiply a decimal number by 100, decimal point moves 2 digits to the right hand side. This is equal to 35.00, and 0 can be removed if there is no digit after 0. This is equal to 35%. Okay? So I think you have understood. As like फ्रैक्शन की ही तरह फ्रैक्शन को डेसिमल में फ्रैक्शन को परसेंट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम उसे 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सेम वे टू कन्वर्ट डेसिमल नंबर इनटू परसेंटेज वी मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 100. ओके. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज टू कन्वर्ट decimal, to convert percent into fraction. To convert percent into fraction. Suppose to convert percent into fraction, we divide it by 100. Okay, to convert percent into fraction, we divide it by 100. ओके. परसेंट को फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम उसे 100 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं. ओके. फॉर एग्जांपल, सपोज वी आर गिवन 85% and we have to convert it into fraction. Then 85% is equal to 85 upon 100. Okay, 85 divided by 100. Now we simplify it. Both can be divided by 5. We will get 5 1 ja 5 3 8 5 3 ja 5 1 ja 5 remainder 3 35 5 7 ja 35 upon 5 2 ja 10 20. That is equal to 17 upon 20. 85%. When we convert 85% into fraction, we will get 17 upon 20. Okay? Yes, I think you have understood to convert percentage into fraction. We divide the given percentage divided by 100. Let us see one more example. Suppose you have to convert 58% into fraction. 58% is equal to 58 divided by 100, 58 upon 100. Now simplify this. Both can be divided by 2. 2 2 ja 4 1, 2 9 ja 18 upon 2 5 ja 10, 50 29 upon 50. Okay, this way we convert percentage into fraction. Now the next point is to convert percent into decimal. To convert percent into decimal. Okay? To convert percent into decimal, we convert it into fraction, then we put it into decimal form. Okay? For example, to convert percent into decimal, first we convert it into fraction. Into fraction. Then we put it into decimal form. For example, suppose we are given 45%. Okay? 45%, and we have to convert it into decimal form. Okay? 45% into decimal form. Convert 45% into decimal form. 45% is equal to, in fraction, to convert percent into fraction, we divide by 100. This is equal to 45 upon 100. Now we have read division of a number by 10, 100,000. 45 divided by 100. When we convert it into decimal form, we will put the decimal point after 2 digit from the right. We will get 0.45. 100 से जब 45 को डिवाइड किया जाएगा तो 2 डिजिट के बाद 2 डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट प्लेस कर देंगे. ओके, दिस इज इक्वल टू 0.45. 45% when converted into decimal form we get 0.45. Okay, these are the things which we have to do in the given exercise. Now see your exercise 8.2. Exercise 8.2, question number 1 is convert the given fractional numbers to percents. The question is exercise 8.2, question number 1, convert the given fractions into percent. As I told you that The question is, first part is 1 upon 8 and second is 5 upon 4. Part A is 1 upon 8 and part B is 5 upon 4. You have to convert 1 upon 8 into percent. Solution A. 1 upon 8, as we know that to convert a fraction into percent, we multiply it by 100. 1 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 8 into 100. Now, simplifying we get 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 50. Again by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 25 here. 25 1 ja 25 upon 2. Okay? That is equal to 12 whole 1 upon 2%. When we convert it into mixed fraction, we will get 12 whole 1 upon 2%. Okay? Next is 5 upon 4. 5 upon 4 is equal to 5 upon 4 multiplied by 100. Simplifying we will get 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 2 4 5 ja 20, 25 5 ja 125%. Okay? This way we will convert the given fraction into percentage. You will solve the remaining parts yourself. Okay? Next question is question number 2. Convert the given decimal fractions to percent. Question number 2 is Question number 2, convert the given decimal fractions to percents. Question number 2 is convert the given decimal fractions to percent. Given decimal fractions to percent. A is 0.65 and B is 2.1. We will take two questions. A is 0.65 and B is 2.1. Okay? As we have discussed, to convert a decimal number into percent, we multiply it by 100 as like fractions. So 0.65 is equal to 0.65 into 100. When we multiply 0.65 by 100, we will get 65.00. That is equal to 65%. Okay? Next is 2.1. This is part A. Part B is 2.1. 2.1 is equal to 2.1 multiplied by 100. Multiplying 2.1 by 100, we will get 210.0, that is equal to 210%. Okay? This way we can convert the given decimal number into percent. You will solve the remaining part yourself. Okay? See question number 3. Question number 3 is estimate what part of figures is colored and hence find percent which is colored. Question number 3, estimate what part of the figures is colored. Estimate what part of the figures is colored and hence find the percent which is colored. And hence find the percent which is colored. Here there is circle. First is and this much is colored. Okay? This is part 1. We see that this is the 1/4 part of the circle. Okay? This is equal to 1/4. And when we convert it into percent, we will get 1/4 multiplied by 100. Simplifying, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 2, 4 5 ja 20. We will get 25%. Okay? You will solve the remaining part yourself. Okay, students? Now we will discuss the remaining question of this exercise in the next lecture. Thank you very much.